me back to the nights we felt alive, picking up the pieces on a summer night. I didn't know that I would feel just like my heart's on fire whenever I'm with you. Cause we go back in time to thrills I miss and all the things I wish we did. All I know is that I need somebody like you. Cause I can't waste another night sitting here alone.
Hey guys, I'm Arya and today I'm back with another video called How I Take Effective Notes as a CBSE 10th grader. First of all, I want to inform you that my main focus will be on how to take effective notes and not on how to make them aesthetic and pretty, because my own notes are not that pretty, so I hope you don't mind about that. So now let's get into our video. What's the point on wasting this much time on making notes? Let me tell you its importance. Notes are really beneficial at the time of revision. During exams, when you don't have a lot of time to revise, instead of going through the whole chapter, you can just go through the key points which you have already written in your notes. So I think making notes will help you a lot to score better. Next thing is what stationery is required. You can make effective notes even with minimal supply. So first of all, you obviously need something to write upon. You can use printer papers or a notebook. For notebook, I would suggest to use the spiral binding. Here you can fold it from any side, and also you can use the whole space. So yeah, all blue and black pens, markers for writing titles, pencil to draw diagrams. Also you can use colorful pencils in case you wanna make colorful diagrams like this. So, and a ruler, colorful pens in case you wanna make your notes look colorful. The first thing you have to do is to go through the topic carefully and understand the things properly. Also, during the class, if my teacher tells something important, I just write down it on the book itself from pencil and underline the key points so that I can copy them during my notes taking. So while taking notes, first of all write the title, which is an obvious step. You can use different fonts and decorate it like you want, but here I am just writing it simply. And then you can write the definition or the introduction to the topic, whichever you're writing about. Don't just copy whatever is written in your textbook, because notes are meant to summarize the things. Try to make them as short as you can and try to keep the points as short as you can. I use different things like bullet points, flowcharts and all for making my notes. You can highlight the main things by different method, like you can make some box around them like I am doing. Also you can highlight it by using your highlighter. Try to use more and more arrows in your notes so that afterwards you can understand the things easily. Then you have to write the subtopic and information related to those subtopics. Also you can make these kind of separate boxes to make it look more organized. Try to make different flowcharts whenever required. They help us a lot and they're more easier to understand than those big long paragraphs and all. So I'll just suggest you to write in flowcharts and bullet points and keep your notes short and tidy. The key thing is to make your notes as short as you can. Keep it as short and simple so that it don't seem very lengthy. And also don't forget to include the important points, because you have to keep it as short and as useful for your exams. Try to make your own notes and don't try to copy anyone else's notes, because at the end you will just end not getting what you have written. So first of all you have to understand the things better and then write in your own language. That will be more beneficial. Make diagrams, flowcharts, mind maps and all as much as you can make. They are really useful. So this was it for my note taking process. I hope you found at least one tip helpful, and if you have any other method which you use for note taking, you can share it in the comment section so that others can also be helped by it.